Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I give you tips for a beautiful holographic makeup. Holographic makeup is a popular makeup trend that gives a prismatic and multidimensional effect to the skin. Here are the steps to apply holographic makeup. Before applying the Eliminator, cleanse your skin. To moisturize, I use a lightly tinted BB cream. Apply the Eliminator stick made with mango butter, coconut oil and avocado oil directly to the areas you wish to eliminate. The most common areas are cheekbone, cupid's bow above the upper lid, forehead bones, bridge of the nose and chin. This will give your face a multidimensional effect. Use a brush or sponge to gently blend the Eliminator into your skin. Make sure the Eliminator is blended into your skin for a natural look. You can also apply it to your shoulders and other areas of your body for a shimmering effect. Brush your eyebrows with a brush and add brow pomade, a light eyeshadow to define your eyebrows. Apply holographic eyeliner pencil along your upper and lower lash line to add the definition to your eyes. Apply a holographic eyeshadow to your lids. You can use a single color or mix multiple colors to create a more complex effect. Apply the eyeshadow with an eye brush or with your fingers. You can start with light touches and increase the intensity as you become more comfortable with the style. If you wish, you can add other makeup products to complete your look. For example, you can add blush on the cheekbones. For the lips, you can use a holographic lipstick to add a touch of originality to your look. You can put a temporary tattoo on your face. To intensify the holographic effect, use a makeup fixative to make your skin glow. Close eyes before misting. Mascara is a great way to enhance your lashes and add a finishing touch to your look. I hope you enjoyed this video on holographic makeup. I will see you soon for more beauty tips.